Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video too, we'll continue to form a quadratic polynomial. Given a polynomial whose zeros are to be related to the new quadratic polynomial. Let us take the input directly. So if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus x minus 2, find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. So let's note the quadratic polynomial first. This is going to be x squared minus x minus 2. And you're supposed to form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. Calculate the alpha plus beta and alpha beta for this particular expression. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a, which is equal to minus of minus 1 divided by 1. So it is just 1. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. So in this case, minus 2 by 1. So the answer is minus 2. I know as we learn and get comfortable with calculation of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, it is not necessary to write this minus b by a and c by a, but continue to have this as a practice because this is a formula. So in case any numerical values that you calculated ended up wrong, you might get step marks in your board exams. Now let's continue. So we know the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, 1 and minus 2. Now let's calculate the alpha 1. So I'm going to treat this 0 as alpha 1 and this 0 as beta 1. So let's calculate the sum of alpha 1 and beta 1, which is going to be 2 alpha plus 1 plus 2 beta plus 1. So this is 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2. I'm going to take the 2 outside. So this is alpha plus beta plus 1. Now substitute the value 2 into alpha plus beta is 1. You already have a 1 here. So it is 2 into 2, which is 4. Now let's calculate the product of the zeros, alpha 1 and beta 1. So alpha 1, beta 1 is going to be 2 alpha plus 1 into 2 beta plus 1. So term-wise multiplication, you remember you have 2 terms here and 2 terms there. So you're going to get 4 terms as the output. So 2 alpha into 2 beta is 4 alpha beta plus 2 beta into 1. So this is going to be 2 beta. Similarly, let's do it for this 1. So 1 into 2 alpha is 2 alpha. 1 into 1 is 1. There are no like terms, but I can simplify this as 4 alpha beta plus 2 into alpha plus beta plus 1. Now we have already calculated the values of alpha betas and alpha plus beta. So let's substitute that. This is 4 into minus 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So minus 8 plus 3, which fetches us a minus 5. And we know a quadratic equation is on the form x squared minus of with alpha 1 plus beta 1 x plus alpha 1 beta 1. So now let's start substituting the value of these that we have calculated. So it is x squared minus of alpha 1 plus beta 1 is 4. So it is minus 4x plus the alpha 1 beta 1. The product is actually minus 5. So on simplification, x squared minus 4x minus 5 is the polynomial that we need. So far in all of these videos, we have given specific concentrations to quadratic polynomials. In the subsequent video, we will look at the standard forms of cubic polynomial and its zeros. See you in the next video. Bye. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.